Hello kids, hope you all are fit and fine. Kids, in today's session, we are going to talk about importance of plants and we will also do passage comprehension. So, let's start with today's session. Kids, today we will talk about importance of plants. We always say that plants are very important for us. But do you know why they are important? Kids, they are important because they give us many things. Kids, most of the food we eat, we get from plants. Example, fruits, vegetables, greens like rice, wheat, maize, pulses like gram, beans. Kids, we also get tea, coffee, sugar and spices from plants. Apart from these, plants are useful in many more ways. Let us look at some of these. Some plants like tulsi, basil are used as medicines. Bag, mat, rope, sack are made by fibers that we get from jute plant. Kids, what type of clothes you wear in summer? Yes, cotton clothes. Cotton clothes are made by fibers that we get from cotton plant. Kids, do you like fragrance of rose or jasmine? Their fragrance are very nice. So, perfume is made out of them. Plants are also useful to animals. Many animals eat plants as food. Example, goat. Trees are also home to many animals. Monkey, squirrels live on trees. The birds make their nest on the trees. Plants give us useful things like wood. We get wood from trees like sal, pine and teak. Wood is used to make bed, chair, door, window, table. Kids, and the most important thing we get from plant is oxygen, which helps us to breathe. So kids, now you all know how important plants are. Yes. So if we want all these things, we should grow more and more plants. Kids, now let's do the exercise on page number 89. Appreciation. Plants are very important to us. They give us many things. Name some of them. Kids, your pictures of the things are given that we get from plants. Let's write their names. Kids, the first picture is of fruits. We get fruits from plants. So let's write fruits. The next picture is of wood. Plants give us wood. So let's write wood. In the third picture, a man is sitting under the tree. Trees give us shade from hot climate, right? So we get shade from trees. So we will write shade. Kids, the birds make nest on the trees. So trees are home for birds. So we will write home in the fourth picture. Kids, there is one question below this exercise. Let's read the question. plants give something very important that helps us breathe. Can you say what it is? Kids, come on, tell me. What plants give us which helps us to breathe? Yes, answer is oxygen. Kids, now let's move to passage comprehension. In passage comprehension, you are given a passage or a paragraph. You have to read the passage and answer the questions asked from the passage. Kids, let's read the passage and answer the questions. At the zoo. I went to the zoo yesterday. I saw a lot of lions and monkeys. मतलब मैंने zoo में क्या देखा? बहुत सारे lions and monkeys. The lions sat on the rocks. Lions कहाँ बैठे थे? Rocks पे. The monkeys were swinging from the trees. What were the monkeys doing? Yes, they were swinging. Swinging means झूलना. So kids, whenever you get passage comprehension, you should read it twice so that you can easily remember and answer the questions asked from the passage. Now let's answer the questions. Answer in one word. Number 1. Where did I go yesterday? Kids, look carefully. It is written in the first line. I went to the zoo yesterday. So what is the answer? Yes, zoo. Kids, in this way, you have to find the answers from the passage. Kids, now let's move to number 2. Which animals did I see? Kids, come on, name the animals which I saw in the zoo. Come on, find it. Yes, I saw a lot of lions and monkeys. So answer is lions and monkeys. Number 3. Which animal sat on the rocks? Kids, rocks पे कौन बैठा था? Yes, come on, find. Very good. The lions sat on the rocks. So answer is lions. Now let's move to number 4. What were the monkeys doing? Means monkeys क्या कर रहे थे? Come on, find it out where it is written. Yes, the monkeys were swinging from the trees. So what is the answer? Swinging. वो swing कर रहे थे, right? So we will write swinging. Kids, now it's homework time. Your homework is you have to write any 5 things we get from plants. Kids, let's see today's activity. You have to paste pictures of flowers, fruits and vegetables in the space given in your textbook on page number 90. You have to write names too. One has been done for you. Kids, there is a fun task for you all in your textbook on page number 91. There are 8 differences between the 2 pictures. You have to spot and circle the differences. Bye kids. See you in the next session. Till then, stay home, stay safe.